Hey, Dustin, stop there about 100 yards before you get to the Thurston right there. That little Caterpillar crossing right there. They're coming back this way. That's Heather, Paul. You hear Heather? I'm telling you how many deer's right here these dogs are running. That's Tony. You're Tony. Tony drives something now. Be looking, Paul. Be looking now. Got a pack there, rainbows. Got a pack down y'all running. I'm providing backup right now for my shooter right there. He still wanting to cross this road. You better think about it there now. Braden, get ready. He's on down. Calm down. down there, Paul. Watch down there. Get ready, Paul. Get ready now. Here they come. Here they come now. Darn, there must be a buck there, son. They're crying. Listen. Get ready, Paul. Get ready. Put your gun up. Put your gun up. Shoot it, Paul. Shoot it, Paul. Shoot it, Paul. Hey, go get them dogs. Go catch them dogs. Ah, hey, Amos. Come here, Amos. Come here, guy. Come here, son. Brain just missed a little dog, boy. That's second one you won't miss. Come here, Heather. Come here, guy. Good girl, mama. His only two was on that deer. Come on. Good girl, mama. Brain, what happened, Pa?
No.
Tell the people what happened. They want to know what happened. Oh, boy. Y'all ate him. Come on, son. Jump, jump, jump. My shooter there.
What was it?
A little doe. That's all. There's only two dogs here was on that one.
You hear me, Brady?
Let me see it, Paul. I got to fix that trash.
I had it on the deer second shot.
Jady standing in front of you?
No, he was on the dog box.
I got to fix this raggedy gun, boy.
The gun jam.
Let me see. That shell's lodged up in there.
Get it.
Nah, a little doe. The way she run, he hadn't hit her. That shell's locked up in there. What it is. Hey, Amos, come here, son. Come here, Amos. Amos, come here. Come here, son.
Got what them dogs is doing?
That's what these two here was running. I don't know what them there's running. Them there's crying on something, son. They might mess around and be a buck there. Grab Amos, Pa. Come here, Amos. Amos. Amos, come here. Might be because I got too much daggone oil in this gun, man. I don't know. Pa?
Huh?
Let's try to dry it out a little bit. Hey, you can pull them up if you want to, Dustin. They're kind of headed toward that corner right now. Alright, Paul, these dogs are right here now. Get ready to get out and shoot. Get out. Be looking now, be looking. Get ready, Paul. Get ready now. Stay where I can shoot. They're running to make the song. They're running him. Alright, boys, they was running downside the Clay Hill, headed back to the Thurston. Now they're going, they're about middle ways to block, and they're headed back in the block.
I just sent mine in there, but I don't know if they made it to them or not yet, Rebel.
Hey, 10-4. He ain't wanting to come out now.
Then they just come in the woods and cut the cow, boys. I'll pop mine in there.
He's coming to the cow right now, Deadeye. He's favoring the Thurston in right this minute. Hey, did I go to that Caterpillar crossing right before you get to the Thurston? There'll be a Caterpillar crossing down your left.
Roger.
Get in, Paul. Get in. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Thurston, boys.
How about it, Dustin? Go ahead. I won't need to that up in. Play right. Yeah.
Yeah, 10-4, Dustin, about where this Caterpillar crossing's at, about 150 yards from the end, and I bet I'll hold that Thurston down unless somebody wants to get on it with me.
Let me get right there where that dude jumped down on the squint. Damn, Roger.
That was them coats, Paul. Grab yours. Yours is over there somewhere. Unless this is it. This is yours. Grab me mine. Grab me mine.
Where's you?
It's over there somewhere. Yeah. Throw it. There you go. These waterproof downs. Bra-proof, waterproof, boys. You got to have it in this rain. We're gonna kill this deer paw. We ain't let a little bit of rain stop us. My, what a tangled web we have weaved. Oh boy. They still rocking in there, boy. They ain't letting off of it now.
Where they at, Rebel?
They're leaving us not quite, they ain't quite middle way, but they're headed to that Clay Hill Road where Deadeye's at.
The cow road.
Yeah, I meant to say Cow Road, that's right.
They're right there in front of you, Dustin.
You got it, Pa?
The back door's open.
I can't hear a thing. I mean, they're on the other side of the block, but they're about parallel with you. 10-4.
Yep, I'm gonna get you one of these guns here next year. Alright?
Why?
Cause I want you to get a bigger gun and it won't jam on you.
How you know?
You bet they're good guns.
I need big.
Hey, Paul, look in. Look. Try to protect your gun like that right there. You got it, Pa.
Yeah.
Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Good girl, baby. Good girl. We shot that there together. Roll there in the road. Yeah. She's done for him. Let me get the truck and catch these dogs. Yoo! Come on, boys! Oh, 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 here, here, here. She's down, boy. She's down. Oh, oh, oh. Let me get the truck, boy. Let me get the truck. Stay there with him. I'll be right back.
Get it, little boy. Get it, little boy.
I don't know. Come help us catch these dogs right quick. Come here, son. Come here, Mama. Come here. Come on here. Come on here. Pretty work. Pretty work. Get on in there. Get on in there. Get on in there. Pretty work. Come on here. Come on here. Throw them in there, Pa. Throw them in there. What's up, Pa? Get up in there. Get up in there. Jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump. Get up in there. Get up in there. Go ahead, go ahead. Oh, yeah. See you, son. Son, hey, she bailed in that ditch. I've been telling Brady I had to walk up behind him and snatch his hood off. Get ready.
Might need to shoot her again.
Is she?
She just moved. I kicked that shit.
She's a talking. Look, she's saying something.
I'm gonna see one from the line.
Yeah, she's done. It's the nerves. Huh?
That's your dog going.
Where? Over there?
Got everything?
Come here, son. Come here, son. Woo, woo. Come here, son. Come on, son. Woo.
Did you shoot that right?
No. Darn. Buckshot.
Right there in the back. Go. Got food for you. Put them on the truck, boy. Go get us some hamburgers.
Bad.
Got some hot dogs in the grill. On the grill. Go. Might have them.
That little heavy, ain't it, boy?
That's a big one, though. I think I got I think Seth got some your dog.
Yeah, it was mine. It was mine. Yeah. That's how I was telling you where to start a while ago. Hold on 1 second, boys. Alright. Good go. He shot. I don't know who all was hit it, but she's down.
That's what, 3 you killed this shit?
I live on the 5th floor, that's it. What happens on 3, that's not me, baby. I ain't killed none, Paul. I'm finna see y'all at Robeson County. That helps with my depression, man. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Steam coming out the box, boys. Dogs is steaming after that hunt. Tell Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm about to leave.